English news. Now the news in detail. Indian Society of Electrocardiology and Father Mulla Medical College, Kankanadi, Mangalore will organize the inaugural ECG learning course on Saturday, 17th of January at 2 p.m. in the FMMC Decennial Memorial Hall, said the program convener in the press release.
Addressing a press meet at the press club in Mangaluru, Reverend Father Dennis Desta said that it is a two-day program with eminent cardiologists like Dr. S.P. Gupta, Dr. Chetan Mehta, Dr. Ashish Nabar from Mumbai conducting the program. Heart diseases are on the rise in India since last one decade, especially heart attack. ECG is an essential tool for the diagnosis of chest pain and various common cardiac conditions, especially ischemic heart disease. Basic ECG reading has become a must for the medical professionals, especially general practitioners, physicians, pediatricians, anesthesiologists, postgraduates, interns, medical students, and nurses working in critical areas. It is a unique program, and Father Mulla's is the second place in Karnataka to host such a program. Usually, this kind of course is conducted in Western countries with a very high course fee. But it is offered here in Mangaluru with a nominal course fee, and around 300 delegates from South India are taking part in this ECG learning course. The program will be inaugurated by Dr. A.V. Shetty, the senior cardiologist of Mangaluru. Dr. S.B. Gupta, President, Indian Society of Electrocardiology, will be the chief guest. Reverend Father Patrick Rodriguez, Director, will be presiding over the program.
The second time in Karnataka, we are holding this program. Normally, in a year, they conduct 5 programs in a year. We are lucky in Karnataka that we are having this program. Around 7 years back, they had the same similar program in Mysore. And this is the first time in Mysore we are having this program. We are targeting this program for all the general practitioners, the observing doctors like we call it as interns, physicians, and the people, postgraduates, people working in critical areas like MICU, ICU, and people who is also in the ambulance sector, so that they can detect the heart disease early and the treatment can be started as early as possible. Around 300 delegates all over from South India are registered with this program. And the inauguration of this program is on 19th of January at 2 p.m. Dr. A.V. Shetty, he is the first eminent cardiologist from Mangalore. He is going to inaugurate the program. And Dr. S.P. Gupta, he is the president of Indian Society of Electrocardiology, will be the guest of honor.
Dr. S. Prabhakar, Dr. N. Hegde, and others were present at the press meet.
St. Sebastian Church, Vendors will organize the centenary celebration on January 20th at 4:45 p.m. in the church premises, said Father Anthony Serrao, the parish priest, in a press meet on Thursday.
Addressing a press meet on Thursday, Father Anthony Serrao said that St. Sebastian Church, Vendor will be celebrating 100 years of its existence. It was in 1912 a small chapel was built in the same place where the present church exists, and the Mass was celebrated. Till then, the Vendor area was a part of the Rosario parish. The Vendor parish has its origin in August 1914 and became an independent parish with Reverend Monsignor Raymond Mascarenas as the first parish priest. The opening ceremony of the centenary will be held on January 20, 2013. January 20 being the feast day of St. Sebastian at 4:45 p.m. in the church premises. Bishop of Bellary, Right Reverend Dr. Henry D'Souza will be inaugurating the auspicious occasion and celebrate the festive Mass with other guest priests. The centenary celebration aims at bringing the people together in faith and unity. The theme of the centenary is towards deeper faith and fraternity. To mark the centenary, the parishioners along with the parish priest and the assistant priest are planning to launch a medical fund for the poor and the needy families of the parish. Various competitions and events will be organized for the parishioners throughout the year to make the year very special and memorable. The closing ceremony of the centenary will be on January 19, 2014.
1914 ಆಗಿನ ಧರ್ಮಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರುಗಳು ಬೆಂದೂರು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಚರ್ಚೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾರಿದರು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಸೆಬಾಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಪಾಲಕರೆಂದು ಸಾರಿದರು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳಾಗಿ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ರೈಮಂಡ್ ಮಸ್ಕರೇನಸ್ ಇವರನ್ನು ನೇಮಿಸಿದರು. ಈಗ ಈ ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ಹಿಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಪಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಂದಿನವರೆಗೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಚರ್ಚಿಗೆ 17 ಮಂದಿ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು ನೇಮಕಗೊಂಡಿರುವರು. 61 ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು ಸಹಾಯಕರಾಗಿ ನೇಮಕಗೊಂಡಿರುವರು. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಂಥನಿ ಸೆರಾವೊ ಈ ಚರ್ಚಿನ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳಾಗಿಯೂ, ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊರಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಪೌಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ತಾ ಇವರು ಸಹಾಯಕ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳಾಗಿಯೂ, ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಮೈಕಲ್ ಸಾಂತೋಮೈರ್ ಇವರು ಪಾದುವಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾಗಿಯೂ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕತೆ, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಜೀವನ, ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ, ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಜೀವನ ಇವೇ ಮೊದಲಾದ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರು ಪ್ರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗುವುದು. ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಧರ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಂತ್ಯದ ಧರ್ಮಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ರೈಟ್ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎನ್ ಡಿ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ ಇವರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸುವರು. ಸಂಜೆ 5:15ಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆಯನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿ ಬಳಿಕ ನಡೆಯಲಿರುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಅವರು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಲಿರುವರು. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಸಾಧಿಸುವುದು ಈ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿದೆ.
Mr. John Morris, Mr. Ronald Walder, Mrs. Lavina John, Mr. Walter Kulasu and others were present at the press meet.
Hi, this is John Abraham and you're watching Coastal Times.
HomeWise Interiors presents state-of-the-art modular kitchen. Available in both contemporary and classic style, specially designed for coastal weather with high-grade anti-magnetic steel baskets, high-grade channels and hinges for greater durability. Visit HomeWise Interiors, Ullan Nursing Home Building, Alake, Kudroli, Mangalore. ಹಳ್ಳಿದ ಗೊಬ್ಬಲಿನ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ತಿನ ಕರಿಪುಗ ಶಾಸ್ತಾವು ಶ್ರೀ ಭೂತಾದೇಶ್ವರ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಬಡಗ ಎಡಪದ ಉಂಗುಜ ಕಂದೈದನೇ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೋತ್ಸವ ರಸಾಂತ ಪದ್ಮೂಜಿ ಜನವರಿ 14 ಇರುವ ಮುಟ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳು 4 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿದ ಗೊಬ್ಬಲು ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ಗೊಬ್ಬಲು ఒక ప్రతిభా పంతుల పర్వ పంటలు పాల్పడలే 15 లక్షల ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಸ್ತ ಇನಾಮು ಪಡಲೆ ನೆನಪು ಪಡೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಪತ್ರ ಕೊರಿಯರೆ ಜನವರಿ 18 ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಪತ್ರ ಸಿಕ್ಕುನ ಜಾಗ ಶಾಸ್ತಾವು ಶ್ರೀ ಭೂತನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಬಡಗ ಎಡಪದ ಉಂಗುಜ ಮಾತಾ ಜಾತಿ ಧರ್ಮದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್.
Good news to Mangaloreans, especially good eaters. Jilus, the pioneers in special food, have introduced the taste of Arabia. Authentic Arabian cuisine to savor your taste buds. Chicken tikka, al-faham chicken, rotisserie chicken shawarma, and the like. Yes, Arabian food at its best. From 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. at Good Times, Pinto Complex, Urwastor Junction, Mangalore. Cell 92433-02446 or 94809-79287. For any function or celebration, thinking of cake, then visit Jilu's Cakes and Bakes, the ultimate cake people, at Pinto Complex, Urwastor Junction, Mangalore. Worried about your party catering? Struggling to find the best caterers? Just forget your problem and dial 0824-2458-436 or cell 92433-02446. Jilu's Caterers, the multi-cuisine food providers for all occasions. Pioneers in introducing Bindas Kao concept. Then why wait? Just dial.
ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಗನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡುದು ಅಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಸಾಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಸಾಲ, ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲ ವಿಶೇಷ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ.
Mangalore Prime Hospitality Address invites you to experience the world of Ocean Pearl. The Sagar Ratna, the epitome of reasonability. The coral, taste the flavors of the world. The tide, quick yummy bites any time of the day. The jazz, relish to the smoothing taste of delicious cocktails. The Zade and the Pacific for big celebrations. Experience hospitality the way the world does. Experience the Ocean Pearl. Nava Bharat Circle, Kodialbail, Mangalore.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Designs at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
The Souvenir Ashraya, which was brought out by the Lionesses of Lions Club International, District 317D, edited by Lion Asha T. Shetty, was very ceremoniously released by the first VDP, PMJF, Lion K.C. Prabhu, together with other guests during the Lioness Meet Janani 2013 at the Fordham Church Open Ground on Sunday, 6th of January.
The Souvenir Ashraya, which was brought out of the Lionesses of the Lions Club International District 317D, edited by Lion Asha T. Shetty, was very ceremoniously released by the first Vice District Governor PNJF Lion K.C. Prabhu, together with other guests during the Lioness Meet Janani 2013 and the Caudal Church Open Grounds on Sunday the 6th of January. Later, PMJF Lion K.C. Prabhu addressing the gathering and lauding the services of Lionesses and also assured his full support and contributions.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಯನ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ವಿನಂತಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಒಂದು ಯೋಜನೆ. ಇದು ಕೈಗೂಡಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈಗೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು, ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿರ್ಣಯವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ವಿಷಯ. ಹಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪುನಃ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅದು ಉತ್ಕೃಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ.
Asha Shetty, the editor, presented a check of ₹1 lakh to the Lioness Envoy for a Lioness project, Seva Baba, an orphanage for destitute women, which is coming up at Belma Village, Derlakache.
Luth Central School Vijay had organized an interactive session by Justice Mr. N. Santosh Hegde on Thursday 17th of January at school premises in Mangalore.
Lord Central School Vijay had organized an interactive session by Justice Mr. N. Santosh Hegde on Thursday the 17th of January at school premises in Mangalore. The stage program started with a prayer song. Principal Reverend Father Ferdinand Gonsalves welcomed the chief guest with bouquet.
Honorable Justice, we deeply appreciate your goodwill and gesture of humility in accepting our invitation, and we are overjoyed by your very gracious presence. We are eagerly waiting to listen to your enriching experience and words of wisdom. We are indeed very fortunate to have an opportunity to interact with you. So on behalf of the management, parents, managing committee members, staff members, PGSC members, and students of Durton School, I warmly welcome you and request our dear manager, Reverend Dr. Victor Machado, to us.
Students performed a beautiful dance on the occasion.
Father
later, Chief Guest Justice Dr. Santosh Hegde gave his valuable message to the students and encouraged them to set goals in the life which will help them to develop the personality.
What is the consequences of this? In 2010, I saw a photograph in one of the land affairs of Karnataka. It depicted a picture of a lady living somewhere in Karnataka in a deserted place with a pot next to her, and she was scraping the topsoil. The article below that says she walked 4 kilometers in search of water. And if she gets 1 pot of water, she will be happy. And that 1 pot of water is what is available for our family for the entire day's need of water. Cooking, drinking, forget bathing. I don't think they have the luxury of bathing so often. Is this the country that we say is developed country? This photo depicted only one village in India which suffers from the same disease as other villages suffer from this. We don't have water shortage resources. We have resources. May not be for cultivation and other things, but at least for drinking we have enough water. But then why not? Why are we not? Or why does the government manage this water for drinking purposes? Where does this money go? Let me give an example. In 2007, the CAG, the Comptroller Auditor General of India, the highest constitutional accounting authority, reported to the Government of India that out of the lakhs and lakhs of crores of rupees released by the Government of India to various state governments for implementing 8 rural-based schemes and poor helping schemes. Mid-day scheme, integrated child development scheme, supply of drinking water, supply of electricity, maintaining the family health centers, maintaining primary education, underground drainage, gas connectivity, such like 8 schemes the Government of India gave lakhs and lakhs of crores of rupees to various state governments.
Many prominent personalities were present.
Hi, Ravi again. You're watching Coastal Time, Bangalore's only news channel.
ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆ. ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದತ್ತ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ.
ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಗುಂಪುಗಳ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಬಾರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲದ ವಸೂಲಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ 14 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 100% ಸಾಧನೆ. 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಎಟಿಎಂ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂಚಯ ಠೇವಣಿ ಯೋಜನೆ. ಠೇವಣಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನೆ.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸದನ, ಕೊಡಿಯಲ್ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
Cinchana Lighting and Lighting Controls are into specialization in lighting and lighting control. Remote controlled curtains, windows, gates, security systems, new generation LED lighting solutions, crystal glass touch switches, mirror finished switches and the like.
Property Infratech India Private Limited proudly presents the launch of 3 luxurious high-rise premium residential apartments in the heart of Mangalore. Starting off with Hillcrest, an exclusive 14-storied high-rise residential complex housing premier 3 BHK apartments with a rooftop swimming pool starting from 1989 square feet in Lady Hill, Infinity at Kankanadi, and Daiji World Residency in Bondel. All apartments come with world-class amenities available in 2 and 3 BHK starting from 1390 square feet and 1634 square feet. Bookings open. For free site visit and information, contact Property Infratech India Private Limited, Divya Deepa Arcade, Bendurwell, Mangalore. Call +91 824 2431 510 or 243 7744.
The Department of Mass Communication, St. Aloysius College, will be organizing a 2-day national fiesta on the theme of celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema on January 21st and 22nd in the college, said Ms. Lakshmi Shanoy, the staff convener.
Informing to media people, the staff convener, Mrs. Lakshmi Shanoy, said that the various competitions, media workshop and panel discussions, film screening and photography exhibition based on the theme will be held during the fiesta. The media fiesta aims at felicitating local filmmakers who have contributed to the film industry. Tulu producer Wariyadori Asal fame Mr. Vijay Kumar Kodialbai, Sandeep Malani, director of Jan Liva 555 fame, and Mr. Arjun Kapikat, Tulu film actor, will be honored during the occasion. Renowned media personalities, filmmakers and experts from the field of cinema will lead the media workshop. The following workshop will be held as a part of the fete. Acting and anchoring by Pradeep Krishna, freelancer. The radio joking by R.J. Vishwas of 92.7 Big FM. Film direction and techniques by Goan film director Rajendra Talak. And web designing by web developer and designer Satish Mukpai. Visiting faculty member Manipal Institute of Communications. All the workshops are free of cost. Student coordinator Kiran Shanoy, Sudeep Shanoy and others were present.
Lions, Lioness and Leo Club Mangalore, Sankanadi Padil, District 317B, Region 6, Zone 1, had organized official visit of District Governor MJF Lion M.B. Sadashiv on Wednesday, the 16th of January at Lioness Seva Mandir, Kadri in Mangalore.
Lions, Lioness and Leo Clubs Mangalore, Sankanadi Padil, District 317D, Region 6, Zone 1 had organized the official visit of the District Governor MJF Lion M.B. Sadashiv on Wednesday, the 16th of January at Lions Seva Mandir, Kadri in Mangalore. Lions Club members welcomed the District Governor and the First Lady of the District with Arati. Member presented the President caller to MJF Land Prakash Pai. Stage program started with a prayer song. Flag salutation was read. The club president MJF Land B. Prakash Pai welcomed the guests with flowers. Lion K. Vasantrao, secretary read the club report and gave details of service activities.
This year, in July 2012, with the help of NSS students of Agra College. We have also there is a blood protection camp. There is making blood group training.
Land service projects were held. Later, the guests honored Mr. Prabhu on the occasion for his achievements. Lioness Club Secretary Nirmala Shetty read the report. Lioness service projects were held. Lion B. Prakash Pai introduced the new members.
He is also in Maktab. Sheikh Irfan, he is also in Maktab. His daughter, Hafsana, she is in Dubai. Right now she is here.
Lion B. Uma Hegde introduced the district governor in a unique way.
Krishika Ujjain, Divangata, Balakrishna Gowda ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಳ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಮಂಡಲವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದ ದೇವಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಜನಿಸಿದ್ದು 4 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಕಡೆಯವಳು ಸವಿತಾ, ಸುರುವಿನವನು ಜಯರಾಮ, ಎರಡನೆಯವನು ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ, ಹಾಗೆ 1959ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 23ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದವನೇ ಶಿವ, ಸದಾಶಿವ. ಸದಾಶಿವ ಎಂದರೆ ಸದಾ ಆನಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವವನು ಎಂದು ಅರ್ಥ.
District Governor MJF Lion M.B. Sadashiv addressed the gathering and inducted the new members.
ಆ ಮೂರನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಆದಾಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮೊಲ ಒಂದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೂತು ಮೊಲ ಹೊಳೆಯದಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿನಾಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಯಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೂ ಯೋಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಈ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಇದೆ, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಈಗಿನ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಬಯಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೂರು ವೀಕ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪರಿಕರವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬಯಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ನೀತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
District Governor presented the pins to the President, Secretary and the Treasurer. San Edmund Walter read the District Governor's appreciation resolution.
So generously and unselfishly provided to our district by District Governor and MD Scholarship MDL, and the sacrifices he is making during the year in fulfilling the manifold duties of his office.
Plan Devdas Bandari, Lioness NY, Lioness Geeta Shetty, MJF Plan Vittoba Bandakar, MJF Plan Kavita Shastri, District PRO MJF Plan Agnes Rodriguez, Second Vice District Governor MJF Plan Manjunath Murthy and Lion Harry Victor felicitated the club.
ಈಗ ಐದನೇ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಅದು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ
I congratulate the President and Prakash Pai for his services rendered to the city along with the Secretary and Treasurer. I congratulate the Governor for his dedication towards Zionism and for the thought-provoking talk.
ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಒಂದರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಶಿಬಿರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಶಿಬಿರ, ಮಲೇರಿಯಾ ಯಾವ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳು ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳ ಶಿಬಿರವನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Who created history? The late Dr. Jayaprakash. And next year, in 2014, we can get another leader in like 80 who we all know is definitely going to create history with his retirement of excellent land and land.
BET, any social camps, eye camps, medical camps, and the like. If that is the Kannadi President Prakash Pai.
ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಈ ದಿವಸ ಒಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳುವುದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರಣವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯ ಸೇವೆ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳು ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಕರುಣಿಸಿದೆ. And Raju has already told about his fantastic services. Most of us never knew. I just got into that before considered on Taliban that even though other than the land club we have done a fantastic service out to this area, and we have done so many people and have got very good name for the land club. Definitely, I should congratulate him on this. Thank you very much, sir.
And Vasant Kumar proposed a vote of thanks. District Governor presented the bouquet to the regional chairperson MJF Lion Balakrishna Hegde and Lion B. Uma Hegde. Lioness Nayana Pandey, Leo Maitri Malli, Leo Rashmi Shetty, Lion Ratnakar Devadiga, Lioness Shantiri Prabhu, Leo Soundari and others were present.
That's all for now. We will be back with more news on the same channel at the same time. Till then, goodbye.